Hey guys! I've always been fascinated by the idea of traveling at supersonic speeds without leaving the ground. The sheer thought of covering vast distances in a fraction of the time it currently takes is incredibly exciting. We're talking about a potential revolution in transportation, something that could reshape our cities, our economies, and even our daily lives. Well, today we're gonna dive into something that could make that a reality, the Hyperloop. We'll explore the core concepts behind this groundbreaking technology, examine its potential benefits, and discuss the challenges that lie ahead in bringing this vision to life. Get ready to embark on a journey into the future of transportation. Imagine stepping into a sleek, futuristic pod and zooming through a tube at the speed of sound. Sounds crazy, right? Like something straight out of a sci-fi movie? But this isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Prototypes are being tested, routes are being planned, and the dream of ultra-fast ground travel is rapidly becoming a tangible possibility. This could change everything about how we perceive distance and connectivity. Okay, so let's break this down and get into the nitty-gritty of how this incredible system actually works. The Hyperloop is basically a super-fast transportation system that uses pressurized pods traveling through near-vacuum tubes. Think of it as a train, but instead of running on rails, it's gliding through a specialized tube with minimal air resistance. It's like taking a bullet train and cranking it up to 11. The cool part? These pods float on magnetic or air cushions, so there's practically no friction. This levitation is key to achieving those incredible speeds. By eliminating the friction between the pod and the track, the Hyperloop can reach velocities that would be impossible with conventional trains. It's a marvel of engineering. You've got four main parts that make this whole thing tick: the tube, the pod, the levitation system, and the propulsion. The tube is this long sealed pipe with super low air pressure inside. This near-vacuum environment is crucial for reducing air resistance, which is what allows the pods to reach such high speeds. It's like running in a wind tunnel, but instead of wind, it's the absence of it that makes all the difference. That means we can hit speeds up to 760 miles per hour. That's faster than a commercial jet. Imagine traveling at those speeds on land. The possibilities are endless. This kind of speed could revolutionize not just personal travel, but also cargo transport, logistics, and even emergency response. Los Angeles to San Francisco? Bam! 35 minutes instead of a 6-hour drive. Dubai to Abu Dhabi? 12 minutes. You could literally commute between cities in different countries every day. Think about the impact on business, tourism, and cultural exchange. The world would become a much smaller place, and opportunities would be more accessible than ever before. And here's the kicker. It's not just fast, it's super green too. The whole system can run on renewable energy, like solar panels on top of the tubes. This commitment to sustainability is a major advantage of the Hyperloop. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can create a transportation system that is not only fast and efficient, but also environmentally responsible. It uses way less energy per passenger than planes or trains. Plus, no emissions. This could be a game changer for how we think about distance, commuting, and even where we choose to live and work. Imagine a world where you can live in a rural area and still easily access job opportunities in a major city. The Hyperloop could make that a reality. leading to a more balanced and sustainable distribution of population and resources. Now, imagine what this could do to our cities. With Hyperloop, living 200 kilometers from your job could be totally doable. You could work in the big city, but live out in the countryside. This could alleviate urban congestion, reduce housing costs, and improve the quality of life for millions of people. The Hyperloop has the potential to reshape our urban landscapes and create more livable and sustainable communities. So, you're probably thinking, this sounds awesome, but is it actually happening? Well, check this out. Virgin Hyperloop has already done a test with real people inside. This was a major milestone in the development of the technology, proving that it is safe and feasible to transport passengers in a Hyperloop pod. They hit 107 mph in a 500-meter test tube. Countries like India, the UAE, and the US are all looking into building Hyperloop systems. It's not science fiction anymore, guys. This is real, and it's happening now. The race is on to build the first commercial Hyperloop system, and the potential rewards are enormous. We are on the cusp of a transportation revolution that could transform the world as we know it. Of course, with any groundbreaking technology, there are some pretty big hurdles to overcome. The Hyperloop, while incredibly promising, is no exception. Building and maintaining these massive vacuum tubes isn't exactly easy. We're talking about creating near-perfect seals across vast distances, dealing with environmental factors, and ensuring the structural integrity of the entire system. The precision required is immense, and the engineering challenges are significant. Then there are the safety concerns, which are paramount. What happens if a pod loses pressure mid-journey, especially at those incredible speeds? Emergency braking systems, evacuation procedures, and redundant safety mechanisms are absolutely crucial. We need to ensure that passenger safety is the top priority in every aspect of the Hyperloop's design and operation. Extensive testing and rigorous safety protocols will be essential to build public trust and confidence in this new mode of transportation. And let's not forget about the cost. We're talking billions of dollars per route. The initial investment required to build a Hyperloop system is substantial, involving land acquisition, materials, construction, and ongoing maintenance. Securing funding and demonstrating a clear return on investment will be critical to the Hyperloop's long-term viability. However, it's important to consider the potential economic benefits, such as increased connectivity, reduced travel times, and job creation, which could offset the initial costs over time. Plus, our current laws and regulations weren't exactly written with 760 mph pods in mind. We need to develop new regulatory frameworks that address the unique challenges and opportunities presented by Hyperloop technology. This includes everything from safety standards and environmental impact assessments to liability and insurance considerations. Collaboration between governments, industry stakeholders, and regulatory agencies will be essential to create a clear and consistent regulatory environment that fosters innovation while ensuring public safety and environmental protection. But you know what? I'm excited. This is the kind of challenge that pushes human innovation to its limits. Throughout history, we've seen incredible advancements in transportation, from the invention of the wheel to the development of airplanes. The Hyperloop represents the next leap forward, a bold vision that could transform the way we travel and connect with each other. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. We're looking at a future where you could have breakfast in New York, lunch in Chicago, and be back home for dinner. Imagine the possibilities. Expanding business opportunities, strengthening personal connections, and experiencing different cultures with unprecedented ease. The Hyperloop could shrink the world and bring us closer together in ways we can only begin to imagine. So there you have it, guys. The Hyperloop. A mind-bending blend of imagination and engineering that could revolutionize our world. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of what's possible and challenges us to rethink the way we approach transportation. It's going to take time, hard work, and probably some epic fails along the way. But that's how we make progress. Every great innovation has faced its share of challenges and setbacks. It's through these failures that we learn, adapt, and ultimately succeed. The Hyperloop is no different, and we should embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation. So the next time you're stuck in traffic or waiting at an airport, just think. Your future commute might be in a supersonic tube. Instead of spending hours in gridlock or enduring long layovers, you could be zipping across the country in a fraction of the time. The Hyperloop offers a glimpse into a future where travel is faster, more efficient, and more sustainable. And that's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future. I hope this video has sparked your imagination and given you a better understanding of the potential of Hyperloop technology. The future of transportation is full of exciting possibilities, and I can't wait to see what innovations lie ahead.